Mission Patrol Division officers responded to a radio call of a suspect armed with a knife. According to the 911 call recording, the suspect, later identified as 23-year-old Joanna Lua, was attempting to stab her family members. Lua was using a knife and blocking her family's attempts to leave the apartment. Here's what happened.
Yes, there's someone holding a knife in my home. Can you please come? No.
What's your address?
No. It's not Bunnell Boulevard apartment.
Who is armed with a knife?
Has a knife. Wait. Excuse me?
The person that's holding the knife, who are they to you? Are you guys related?
Yeah, she's my sister. She's on drugs.
What does she look like? White, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
Hispanic.
A color shirt?
White shirt.
Do we need an entry code to get into the building?
Yes.
What's the entry code?
Yes.
Okay, your sister, she threatening anybody with a knife, or she just holding it?
Yes, she held it in front of me right now. I had to lock myself in the room.
Okay, stay on the line. It's going to sound like I disconnected, but I'm only getting the officers going, okay? Don't disconnect.
1979. Verify its apartment. Verify the PR stepping out.
1979, it's unit. The PR is unable to step out. She's locked in her room. The suspect is
Let us out! Hey, let us in!
Just come out with your hands up!
We can hear Lua responding weirdly with the police. It seems like she's giving them clues of her victim's whereabouts.
Open the door!
You guys want to stay up here just for a hands team?
Ma'am, open the door!
Hey, do you guys have keys to the door?
¿Tiene llaves?
Okay.
Yeah, that's gonna be the daughter's mom. She should be 390.
What do you want to go for?
Just open the door!
Alcohol?
Just open the door!
Training order against
Just open the door!
Andy Alvarenda or the manager in this apartment.
Open the door!
Open the door and talk to us.
You don't know the
Wait.
information.
I can't hear you. Can you open the door?
Talking about.
I can't hear you, ma'am. Can you open the door? There you go.
I'm talking about.
She
I can't hear you, ma'am.
She makes sure that everything's written up. I just see her kicking it. No, because she lives there.
Yeah, but she's starting with the knife.
So we kind of do have things.
She's moving it.
At this point, the police are creating a plan on how to approach Lua with caution.
How are we going to do that?
Ma'am, can you open the door for us? Can you open the door? I can't hear you, ma'am.
This is Joanna, right? Yeah, this is the mom of the daughter. So she doesn't live here. So yeah, she made entry.
Ma'am, can you open the door for us?
We're here to supervise you.
Yes, supervisor.
What part of it?
We're just here to make sure everyone's okay. Can you open the door, please?
Everybody is okay.
Well, I gotta verify that. Can you open the door, please?
You have no right to.
Lua is persistent in insisting that everybody is okay, even though it was clear that she is holding them hostage.
Little girl and mom.
Yeah.
We don't know anything else, right?
Yeah. Ma'am, can you open the door? Hey, did you want to kick this thing in? Ma'am, open the door. Let's go.
The only thing is that they have exigency. That's what they're trying to articulate.
1961, was there a vehicle in relation to your...
Turn your radio down. Ma'am, open the door.
The police are getting aggressive as they are ordering Lua to open the door for one last time.
Stand by. Got it?
I'm the victim.
All right, well, open the door so we can talk to you.
We're trying to take him.
Lua said that she is the victim, all the while keeping her family hostage inside.
From nothing, you're not going to
Can you open it?
Yeah. But just be mindful, she's armed with a knife.
Pink motherfucker from the side of my pants, socially.
Ma'am, can you open the door?
I'm not allowing you in because they're fucking trying to manipulate
So this, I guess this.
Lewis said her family is trying to manipulate her. It seems like she's out of her mind.
Her
Ma'am, we
mother,
can't hear you.
her
Can you open the
mother,
door and talk to us?
Her niece are in here. They're the ones who are locked into a bedroom. This person that's behind
Can you open the door?
is not supposed to be here. She doesn't live here. She's 390, and she's the one that supposedly the PR is stating is armed with a knife. So the 8-year-old, the 8-year-old and the grandmother are locked in the bedroom. And I don't know how she made entry, but she's in there. This is our suspect that we're talking to. She's refusing to come out. She's 390.
The female police officer explained everything that happened thus far, making sure to let her fellow officers know that Lua is armed with a knife inside the apartment.
This is our suspect. We've already talked to her. This is.
That's fine. We have the PR still on the line, right?
Yeah.
They're unable.
Out because she's blocking the door.
The PR stating she is also armed with a knife inside her room. The suspect can be heard in the living room. And then 01.
Ma'am, can you open the door, please?
PR was directed to put the knife down.
120. Verify there's no way for them to step out, correct?
whether you want to use your strength or not.
120. The PR says she didn't fear. She does not want to step out. The suspect
We're
put
gonna
the
do
knife
parkour from that road.
to her neck earlier. There's 2 additional people in the home that are interfering to open the door. They're in the living room with the suspect.
Ma'am,
The
open the
police
door.
officer ordered Lua again to open the door,
Okay,
but there's no
Roger, just advise
response.
the PR that officers are making entry.
All right, hold on.
Hey, if you don't come out with your hands up, we're gonna kick down the door.
No, déjela. No, déjela porque está armada.
They are now kicking the door open, and it surprisingly worked. Now officers are barging inside.
Drop the knife! I said drop the knife! Get back! Get back!
Lua gets shot on the hand. She seems hurt from it. Here's another angle from the other officer's body cam.
It's your hand, man. Over here. Put the knife down!
Drop the knife.
Put the knife down!
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife! I said drop the knife! Hold on. Get back! Get back!
Más atrás.
Hold on!
Let me go hands on. Let me go hands on.
We can see here that Lua is moaning in pain while being handcuffed. Maybe next time try not to threaten your family?
Give me 1 sec. Got it?
You okay? You okay?
Here's another angle from a different officer's body cam.
Over here. Put the knife down!
Drop the knife.
Put the knife down!
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife! I said drop the knife! Hold on. Get back!
Más atrás. Hold on.
Step back. Señora, para atrás.
Hopefully this will teach Lua a lesson not to mess around with knives next time, or threaten people.
Hold on.
I thought it was a taser.
Get back! Everyone down!
Is she hit? I got it. I thought it was
shots fired. Any air unit coming off at frequency.
Is she hit?
She's hit.
L120. I need an RA for a female, approximately 30 years old, cautious of breathing, single gunshot wound to the stomach. Okay.